Hi guys, this is Strawberry and I'm the artist of the webtoon Getting It Straight and Flame Between Shadow and Eyes on webtoon canvas. And being a freelance artist has been my job for 3 years now. So today I just want to talk about how it feels like to finally live the dream that I've always had when I was a kid. I hope you guys find this chat meaningful, and I hope that you learn something in the process while I work on my webtoon. It has been a while, yes, but I am doing great, and lately I've been taking things very slowly, like doing things at my own pace at the moment, which is meaning to say just living a life without thinking about the deadlines too much or being carefree about for the time being. Sometimes with all these deadlines in front of me, even if I don't really have to be strict about it, I just can't avoid having this kind of feeling where you just stare at your work one day and you don't want to do it, but then I remember that it pays off my bills and it's always been my dream, so I gotta work for it and I gotta do it, push through it until I make it. Sometimes, when I feel this in me, it feels like it's just sucking all the energy that I feel, and I feel like I will end up being a slow cook for the next few minutes because my brain just shuts up and believes that I'm doing too much, and now that I just need to do enough. But yeah, deep down I just want to slow down and savor the moment, live that dream without worrying about deadlines, and just as existing freely, like solely for fun. So, when I was 13 or around 14, in my teenage years, I've always loved watching animes and videos about making coffee or just dining inside the cafe with people chilling and just talking or working on their respective tables. I fell in love with the aesthetic of being in the cafe, having that kind of cozy vibe while you were working. Basically, YouTube has introduced me to the kind of life that I wanted to have when I grow up. And I remember I would always daydream about it, that even in my dreams before I sleep, I mean, after I sleep, I would see myself in a cafe having our own time while working and just chilling like there's no other problems in the world but the flies that would come to your food when you're not looking, things like that. But yeah, it turns out that that kind of dream is not that easy to achieve. You see, in the process of achieving your dream, discouragements and doubts will always be part of it, which will make you question your capability and most of all, your trust in yourself. So, seeing it in videos feels like it's somewhat easy to achieve. And then reality hits me that I do not have money, not a single piece of equipment, and I don't even have a cute dress to match the cafe's aesthetic. I was a student with only 50 pesos. That was around $1 allowance given by my parents just for school bus and snacks. And the coffee at the cafe cost 4 times my allowance in one day. And my parents can't afford to give me that kind of luxury because they weren't rich. And I do understand that we can't have anything in this world while I was in this age. I just, the child in me just wanted it because she likes it and she wants to experience it. What kind of life feels like. It was a rocky road ahead. The journey to making it there was full of struggles, obstacles, temptations, insecurities, uncertainties, and broken roads. The path you have to go through just to experience that kind of dream was no joke at all. And it was harder than what you can imagine. Without like self discipline, it will be really hard to grasp and continue the ride. But these challenges aren't bad at all. In fact, when you face these struggles, it helps you to take a step closer to what you really want to become, right? And sometimes it can even help you make decisions more confidently because you've already gone through it. And just remember to always believe in yourself. When I face something unfamiliar, at first it makes me feel nervous, or I feel that it was a scary thing to do because it was something I've never done or experienced before. But when the first thing you think is to trust yourself rather than thinking that it was scary, you can actually go through anything. Dream starts within us. If you think you cannot do it, you won't be able to do it. But if you think that you can make it happen. It's basically a reflection of who we really are. So now at the moment in the present time, I can finally say that I'm living that dream. And it honestly felt surreal. Like all the sacrifices, the challenges that I've been through, failures and small successes I achieved before this day finally happened. Everything flashed like a memory while I was sitting drinking the coffee that I ordered with the carbonara on the side. It was all just felt surreal and made me tear up a little. I craved for this for so long, and finally I'm here. I was thinking about this for 13 years, and now I'm sitting on one of the tables working on my own comic paid. When I first realized that I am finally here living that dream, I started thinking about the new goals that I wanted to achieve more in the future. But there was nothing I could really think of, honestly, as if this has become my ultimate goal until I die. Like to be able to draw a webtoon in a cafe. The paid part is a bonus though, and I think I thank God that He gave me the courage to take this journey even without the proper support from like a mentor or a teacher, like those drawing equipments, materials, and the money to take the art course in college. Yeah, that's a big factor. And even though it's hard building your momentum when you have nothing once you decided on starting about something from scratch, he made me believe that trusting yourself first would be the key to unlock the doors to the path that you want to walk through, which up until now is still super effective every time I decide to do something I'm very serious about. I just I just firstly trust in myself that I can do it. Because if others can do it, then that's enough reason for me to believe that I can do it too, right? Also, like any other things in general, everything has its beautiful and ugly side. I've already talked about how it feels so good to finally live that dream, but on the other side of that, lies how ugly it can be behind the scenes. But it's not that ugly though. It's just that we all have this negative side, you know. But it's not that, I mean, it's bearable. So the truth behind that dream that I am now living is that it is quite expensive to go to a cafe lately. Like, the prices are increasing more and more. And sometimes people will look at you suspiciously. The table will eventually get messy, and it's not always the cutesy and cozy vibe that you will feel because people change. And there are some people who are going to the cafes without the intention of working. You know what I mean? They are just chit chatting over there and not really caring about the other people, if you get what I mean. And then, yep, the deadlines and workloads from the work itself are insane. The rude comments that you will receive once you finish the whole chapter, and the mental struggle that comes after that, the burnouts, and being the same as you were when you were just a dreamer. It gets tiring, and there are times where you will not like your work at all. But yeah, at the end of the day, we are all just humans. We see things, we feel things, we want things, and we also get tired of things. We're beautifully crafted as imperfect humans with the ability to adapt and recover if the beautiful things we seek now feels like a burden to us. We learn to cope with it. I would just always think that it was a blessing that I was able to make it and experience it in this lifetime, and that I did my best to make it. Even if it's just a very uncommon dream. Is it uncommon? But yeah, that kind of dream where you just sit in a cafe working on your own comic and feeling the cozy vibe with the music from the cafe, and you see other people working on theirs too. Yeah, that kind of atmosphere is what I want to have in life until I die. I don't know if it's weird, but that's just really my ultimate dream. Right now, I haven't thought of anything or any goal that I want to achieve yet. After this, maybe I don't know. Maybe it will come soon. We'll see. But anyway, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's chat and hope you were able to finish your webtoons as well while working with me, assuming that you're also a webtoon artist like me. And yeah, I'll see you again on the next video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and support our webtoons as well. See ya.